What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Please feel free to like and subscribe, and yeah, let's get to it. So back at our 100k challenge. So I know we haven't made much progress, but right now it's time to buy. It's not time to sit on our hands and be like, oh, why is it not going up? Oh my god, why? Nah, we're not about that life. So okay, so today I made some purchases, so let's get to it. I'm hyped today because just look at Bitcoin right now. It went all the way down to $28,000 just when the market opened. So it's crazy what's happening right now. So, and it's recorded back to 33k, and yeah, really good buying opportunity. So let's get to it. Now today, that's the month. So today we are up. That's not really accurate. So let's just go down here. Let's see. So if you see, I have added some funds and I purchased some. So let's get into the activity. Right here. So that was April, and now June. So first I had to deposit $250 because I didn't have enough money to get the subscription, which is about $3, and including tax is $339, which would allow me to deposit up to $1,000 with the subscription. Without the subscription, it's only $250, and I maxed out it quick. So that's why with WealthSimple I did this so that I can purchase it quick without any delay. So yeah. So first thing we bought, boom, because DGHI was so down, it fell all the way down to, I want to say 130-ish. Went all the way down to, yeah, it's currently sitting at 134, but it went all the way down to 129. So I was able to get in at 149, which is okay. I mean, at $140, so I got 100 shares. Good, lowered my average. So yeah. Next, what I did was I bought Bitfarm at 460, which I think now it might be. There we go, 505. All right, so Bitfarm's at 505. Definitely on the jump. With the news of well, not really the news, but yesterday they got into Nasdaq. They got into Nasdaq, so that kind of helped. Okay, let's see. That was that. I purchased the subscription so that I can deposit another $250, and which I did, and boom, I bought HUT to lower my average, which I bought in HUT at let's see, so it's currently at 439. I bought in at 424. 30 shares for about $127, which is all right. So at this purchasing kind of rant, this time I could have kind of done the let's see here, let me just show you what I mean. I could have not placed it on market and just did the limit buy, but I don't really do limit buy. I mean, market buy is, I don't really look at limit buy. If you look at limit buy, that's you. But for me, when I buy stocks, I don't care if it's within the range that I'm looking to buy. I don't care about a few cents in the because look at Bitfarm. If I had done the limit buy at let's say if I bought at 460, then probably the spread was around 5 cents. So if I did 450-ish, no way I could have got the gains right now. But obviously that kind of does the double flip work with DGHI too. So because DGHI went down. So yeah, I don't really care. So I just do that. So HIVE, I bought not much, but 25 shares at, let's see, 275. 275. So it's up to 282 at the moment. So, and they have the Nasdaq listing pending, which they don't have the date yet, I believe. So that was 5 days ago. No, they just got approved. And right, is there any news in here? No. And I think that was it with that one. Yeah, so I was able to increase my with HIVE, it's going to increase my average cost, but with the rest of them, it's going to decrease my average cost. So if we go back to our portfolio, so currently we're sitting at 4,700. Yeah, we're sitting at a little low. Jeez, we took some hit there. Currently using premium service. Yeah, I'm gonna use it for a month. See, you know, if I can cancel it. If I might cancel it because I don't think I'm gonna need that kind of service when I don't use it often. But for instances like this, $3.40, $3.4, I don't really care. Okay, so back to our portfolio now. We did the lowering the average cost. Boom. So we're sitting at average cost of 482, and I think Bitfarms. Yeah. So we're really, yeah, we took a double on that one. So total value percentage of portfolio is 16.8, so not bad. DigiHouse, we did the average down, which really helped, to be honest, even though we're down $400. We lowered it from 2.2 to 2.06, so that's good. I'm gonna try and maybe get it down below $2, under $2. So we'll see. I might purchase some more tomorrow, so we'll see about that. It is kind of using up my $500 injection of cash really quick though, but the hell with it. I mean, these prices, I mean, I was planning on just buying like 5 or 10 stocks every other day or something like that, but with these prices, I mean, I can't resist. Jeez, the discount, it's crazy. Let's see. So we got, what else did I buy? I forget. Hut. I think we lowered our average cost. Yeah, we did. Look at that. We lowered our average cost a lot. I believe it was around 5 or something like that. So yeah, definitely good purchase. HIVE, it's gonna go up a bit because I think we were at 220s or 30s maybe. So not much, but it's a bit. Wow, this is a long way. HIVE, we were up. Holy cow, HIVE was sitting at like $6-7. Man, now it's back all the way down to 282. Jesus. Yeah, can't live in those. Yeah, so yeah. So you see 275 and then an injection of cash, and wait, what? No, all the way down here. No, it doesn't show. That's weird. Maybe 1 week chart. 3. Okay, well, it doesn't show yet, but I assure you, I only deposited $500. So the full transparency is here. I mean, I'm not trying to hide anything, right? So if I purchase anything, I'm showing you everything, like my activities, what I'm buying, what I'm selling. I haven't sold anything yet. I mean, since June at least. Yeah, seems like I'm a buyer since April. Jesus. Yep. So yeah, you know my strategy, long-term hold. I'm not trying to play for a quick buck. I'm trying to hold long-term. These things will happen, these deviation, like look at this thing. It's gonna happen like here and there, like it's gonna happen very often with Bitcoin, but with other stocks too. Like I'm not trying to sell it for a quick buck. I'm looking to like for a multi-bag. Like I'm trying to get the bag, like really big bag. So I'm not really worried about that. So today is kind of like a a positive day. I mean, instead of Doge and DeFi, yeah, it's an alright day. GoED still on the positive. I mean, I don't know how this thing is like running up. I don't know. Okay, STEM. Yep, we're doing good. NDA, Nano-Dimension Census Argo blockchain is doing really good actually. Let's see here. It fell all the way down to 1.5. What was the lowest it has been since March? Okay, so 151.10, and it did hit that. Was that today? Yeah, that was today. Yeah, so if you bought Argo again at 152, wow, good for you. I mean, Jesus, that's a really good price to get in. Okay, so with DigiHost, we had a news with DigiHost. I'm gonna just cover that, and I think that's it for this one. I mean, this is getting on a little bit too long. So yeah, SEC filing Form 40F with Nasdaq. That's pretty much the last form that you need to complete before you get approval, and then you get the listing date. And yeah, so they also have a stock option grant for employees. Yeah, company price at 140. Yeah, that's fine. Exercise price, the exercise period is 5 years. Yeah, that doesn't really matter much. So the problem with HUD right now, because it's not moving much, why it's not moving much is because of the $100 million unit offering. So that's going to take maybe a month or so to kind of just filter out throughout the system. So if you have HUD, just be patient. I mean, you've been patient so far. So what's a little couple months, you know, like, and you know, Bitcoin is going to go to 100K. My price was 150, but conservative was 100 and average was 150, and then the bullish was 200K plus. So conservative at least is 100K, so that's gonna hit for sure. Just if you have Bitcoin, you know what you have, so just keep it. I mean, like, just if you've done your research, you know they're trying to get you to sell that thing. So yeah, no, don't sell it. All right. Yeah, always do your own research and think for yourself, right? I mean, don't just follow what YouTubers tell you to do, right? So always do your research and learn how to do research, right? So that's another thing. Check out the company, see if it's real. Even if you're doing these penny stocks, the main thing is to see if it's real, because some of them, they're not real. So yeah, I think that's it for this one. We're on a positive track. I know we haven't hit 6K since we, like, 3-4 months ago. Jesus, that's a long time. Okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna, maybe I have like $60 left, so I don't know. I'll probably buy something tomorrow if it goes down more, like maybe DGHI again. I'll add more there so I can lower my average cost down below $2. That's pretty much the name of the game, right? I mean, like, throughout time, just periodically just invest in the stocks that you know and you have a high conviction in, and just lower your average cost down, or just get more shares in the company. That's pretty much it, right? So in the long term, you'll be holding a lot more stocks in there, and then that monetary value will go really high. So, and that's it. Just takes time. Just be patient, and don't be itchy fingered like me. Sometimes I have that, which, it happens. When you're investing, you're like, oh, what is this doing? Why does it keep going down? I want to sell it, but get into something else. Like, sometimes you gotta be patient, and sometimes you just gotta go with your gut feeling. Like all these technical analysis, sometimes the market is different by people, and people run by emotion, and emotion, like, I'm not that emotional of a person, but the market is emotional. Like, the people, they run on emotion, and it's an emotional market, and you just gotta think about it through psychology. So yeah, man, I mean, do some research. All right, that was too much, but see you in the next one. Peace.